Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you manage all your social media in one place. How to use Radaar. So you can access Radaar via website on your phone, Radaar.io with double A. So this is the homepage, a best in class platform. Let's start free now here. So make social media management easy. So you have to sign up first. So welcome on board. So here the overview, you can connect a channel, create posts, invite a teammate, start your subscription. You have to learn one by one the feature here. Like for example, connect a channel here. You can connect your Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and all social media you had. And then this is you have to reload first. Add a channel first. For example, you can add your Facebook, and also these three steps you can integration, permission, a subscription and so on. You can create a post here. For example, you can create a drop files here, click to upload and send into your social media. So there's a schedule, you can organize social media posts. So it's very good if you are like agency or company that control the social media of your client. So please free to try, use and learn this Radaar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.